This is a 1892 Lovell Diamond safety bicycle built by Iver Johnson. The safety bicycle appeared at the end of the 1880s, and Iver Johnson started and had one out in 1889. This one here has a few refinements and is from 1892, and it is considered the #1 hard tire safety. This bicycle was built by Iver Johnson for John P. Lovell Arms. I find the story of Iver Johnson quite a unique one, being a combination company who made firearms and bicycles, excelling in both. I feel the bicycles are quite over-designed with a gunsmithing type detail. From a mechanic standpoint, later models can be considered a little difficult to work on because they had their own proprietary parts. Kind of unique or interesting, would be frustrating for a mechanic. The details and beauty of these earlier bicycles can be seen with flowing lines, they're quite exquisite. And this is definitely a high-end, high-quality bicycle. This bicycle was restored by Bob Jamerson. It is a top-notch restoration. I don't know if I'd particularly want to embark down the journey of this restoration. I've done many restorations, but mostly in the Stingray era, Custom era, Ballooner era, and some TOC era bicycles. This Lovell Diamond #1 is a hard tire safety. It is the same as the #2 that was pneumatic tire. The spokes are threaded into the hubs. It has quite some fine detail. Spoon brake that came on the later models. This bicycle is considered a safety bicycle. The safety bicycle was the development of the chain. Earlier predecessors, the high wheel or the ordinary, had direct drive where you pedaled on the wheel, and when you slowed down to stop, there was a good chance you were going over the handlebar and getting a header. This newer design with the chain was considered a safe bicycle. That's where it gets the name safety bicycle. This is the beginning of the bicycle as we know it, with a chain. This Lovell Diamond safety bicycle was made by Iver Johnson for the John P. Lovell and Arms Distribution and Sporting Goods Company. It was also distributed by the Browning Brothers and Issei Meacham and Arms and a few other arms manufacturers around the country. The story of the guns and bicycles is quite deep. You will find that O.F. Mossberg, who worked in the bicycle factory, went on or survives today as Mossberg & Sons shotgun manufacturing. I find the detail of early safety bicycles quite beautiful. It's interesting how a few years later, 96, 97, they adopt more of a diamond frame and some of the beautiful lines of the early safety bicycles start disappearing and the bike becomes a little bit more normalized. This bicycle was purchased from Charlie Best estate. He was one of the largest Iver Johnson collectors out there, purchased a lot of stuff from the factory when it closed. This is a crown jewel in my collection. It is also one of the most expensive bikes. Further details can be found on LuxLow.com. This Lovell diamond is a beautiful restoration, worthy of any collection, museum, and it can be ridden. I really have enjoyed my journey with Iver Johnson bicycles, all the collecting, all the researching, all the rebuilding. It's a fine bicycle.